Good morning, my name is Sandra Yolanda Gómez Pistacho. Voy a hablar sobre Chiapas, Cundinamarca, City of Muy. Current approximate population 142,691 people approximate. Urban area 79. Average climate 19 degrees Celsius. Current situation of education. In Chile we are 2 universities, 21 schools, 17 technical schools. Current situation natural resource. Chile has oil river, Bogota and river coast, 10 rivers, 1 long lagoon, 8 vegetation at 28%. Population 11. I buy some oil, cars, and chemical in oil water. Coer warming I calmer situation. Is your city town grows fast? Yes, it is growing very fast in our rural zone. Is our to countertop train? Yes, in collapsing material modular incolapsable. Are oil new Spanish mod? Yes, oil pani sector Fontana. Core call are entire main situation in your city town in Chia is entering is Pine software tourist site sport center water to park restaurant bar liquor store y retail coffee shop. Perception and situation in your city town at 8:23 into ORT. Migration before and oil crisis in Venezuela. We have people displaced by in Bible. Con and me. Thank you.